2026 Ridgeline Sport IVTM4 registered all-wheel drive system. 280 horsepower, 3.5 L V6 engine. Dual-action tailgate. In-bed trunk. Integrated Class 3 trailer hitch. Unibody construction. Performance. 280 horsepower V6 engine. IVTM4 registered all-wheel drive system. Intelligent traction management with normal, snow, sand, and mud modes. 9-speed automatic transmission with shift-by-wire and paddle shifters. Exterior. Dual-action tailgate. Lockable in-bed trunk. Lay-flat truck bed. LED low-beam headlights. Integrated Class 3 trailer hitch. Unibody construction. Interior. Cloth seats. 7-speaker, 215-watt audio system. Tri-zone automatic climate control. Leather-wrapped steering wheel. Lift-up rear seat with underseat storage. Technology. Wireless Apple CarPlay * compatibility. Wireless Android Auto compatibility. Wireless phone charger. Smart entry with walkaway auto lock. Bluetooth streaming audio. Front USB ports. Remote engine start. 9-inch display audio touchscreen. Push-button start. Safety and alerts. Collision mitigation braking system. Road departure mitigation system. Blind spot information with cross-traffic monitor. Rear view camera with dynamic guidelines. Adaptive cruise control.